Most people think Bitcoin's price is random. One day it's flying, next day it crashes. And everyone says the same thing: crypto is unpredictable. But here's the truth: Bitcoin doesn't move randomly. It moves because of four powerful forces working behind the scenes. And once you understand these, you stop guessing and start understanding the market. Think of Bitcoin like a living system. Its price moves based on how many people want it, how much of it exists, what's happening in the world, and how people feel about it. Today, I'm going to break down the four real factors that control Bitcoin's price in the simplest way possible, so even a beginner can understand it. And trust me, once you see this, you'll never look at Bitcoin the same way again. Let's start with the most powerful force: supply and demand. Imagine this: there are only 10 phones left in the world, but 1 million people want them. What happens? The price explodes. Now flip it. There are millions of phones, but no buyers. Price drops. Same thing with Bitcoin. Here's the crazy part: Bitcoin is not like money that governments can print. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. Forever. No more can be created. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every few years, Bitcoin goes through something called a halving. What does that mean? The reward for mining Bitcoin gets cut in half. New supply entering the market becomes smaller. So imagine this: less new Bitcoin coming in, but demand stays the same or increases. What happens? Price goes up. Simple way to think about it: more buyers plus less supply equals price up. Less buyers plus more supply equals price down. That's the foundation. But here's the twist: supply and demand alone don't explain everything, because sometimes demand suddenly explodes or disappears. Why? That's where the next factor comes in. Now let's talk about something most beginners ignore: fundamentals. This is basically the health of the Bitcoin network. Think of it like a company. Before buying a stock, you ask, is the company growing? Is it being used? Is it strong? Same with Bitcoin. There are a few key things. Number one, more users. If more people are using Bitcoin, more wallets, more transactions, that means demand is growing, and that's bullish. Number two, network security. Bitcoin is secured by miners. The stronger the network, the harder it is to attack. More security equals more trust. More trust equals more buyers. Number three, developer activity. This one is underrated. Developers are constantly improving Bitcoin. If development is active, that means the project is alive. Dead project? Price dies too. Number four, real-world use. This is huge. Ask yourself, can Bitcoin actually be used in real life? Payments, savings, transfers. The more use cases it has, the more valuable it becomes. Think of Bitcoin like a city. If more people move in, build businesses, and improve infrastructure, the city becomes more valuable. Same with Bitcoin. But here's where things get even more interesting. Sometimes Bitcoin drops, even when fundamentals are strong. Why? Because of something much bigger. Now we zoom out, way out. This is called macro. This means what's happening in the global economy. Let's keep this simple. When central banks increase interest rates, borrowing money becomes expensive. People invest less. Risky assets drop, and Bitcoin is considered a risky asset. So when rates go up, Bitcoin usually goes down. Now the opposite: when governments print more money, more cash enters the system. People look for places to invest. Bitcoin becomes attractive. Result? Price goes up. When there's fear in the world, recession, war, financial crisis, people either run to safety or look for alternatives like Bitcoin. So macro can push Bitcoin both ways, depending on the situation. When money is tight, Bitcoin struggles. When money is easy, Bitcoin rises. But here's the most dangerous factor of all, the one that tricks beginners, the one that causes people to buy at the top. This is where things get emotional. Sentiment means how people feel, not logic, not data, just emotions. You've seen this before. Bitcoin starts rising. News channels talk about it. Social media explodes. Everyone says, Bitcoin is going to the moon. What happens? More people buy. Price goes even higher. This creates a loop of hype. Now the opposite. Price starts falling. Bad news spreads. People panic. Everyone says, Bitcoin is dead. And what happens? They sell. Price drops even more. Most beginners buy when everyone is excited. and sell when everyone is scared. Exactly the wrong move. One tweet, one headline, one rumor can move Bitcoin instantly. That's how powerful sentiment is. Instead of following the crowd, ask yourself, are people too greedy right now? Are people too scared right now? Because usually the crowd is wrong at extremes. So now you know the truth. Bitcoin doesn't move randomly. It moves because of four forces: supply and demand, fundamentals, macro, and sentiment. Limited supply plus high demand equals price up. Strong network equals long-term growth. Global economy affects everything. Emotions drive short-term moves. If you only follow price, you'll always be late. But if you understand these forces, you start seeing moves before they happen. So here's the question. Are you trading based on emotions or based on understanding? If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe for more simple trading knowledge, and comment which factor surprised you the most. Because the more you understand the game, the less the market can fool you.